The joy of traveling to Cape Cod is capturing its breathtaking landscapes, where golden light dances across pristine beaches and historic lighthouses as silent sentinels against the vast Atlantic. There's something special about photographing on the Cape, a simple yet fulfilling experience of just being there. I'm Mark Houde with Oculus Photography Workshops. Along with my partner Sam Carr, we love to have you join us for our 2026 Autumn Cape Cod Photography Workshop. Experience and photograph blue hour, golden hour, sunrises and sunsets on the Cape's beaches and dunes. And when the light is too harsh, learn new post-processing techniques during our classroom time. Visit our website to learn more and to register, but don't wait too long, as this is our most popular workshop, and slots tend to fill quickly. I hope to see you there.